So welcome to TechnoDadLife, and today's episode we have something really special. So I bought a video card from China. So it's supposed to be a 1050 Ti with 4 gigabytes of memory. And so what we're going to do is we're going to unbox it now and we're going to install it and see if it's what it actually is. So here we go now. So this is our video card, which is basically supposed to be a 1050 Ti. I bought this with 4 gigabytes of memory. I got this on eBay. There were a whole bunch of these for sale. So I got it for less than $60. At the time of this video, these are selling for about $200. So you can see no markings on the box. So let's open it up. And so the first thing we have is a CD-ROM that doesn't have anything marked on it at all. Okay, so we move out of there and there's our video card. Oh, we have some cords there also. Here, let's move these out of the way. So these are, that looks like the power cords to power the card. And so let's open up this card here. Okay, feels pretty substantial. And there is the video card. Again, no name or markings on it. On the back, I don't know if you can see it, it does say NVIDIA GTX 1050 Ti, 4 gigabytes. Yeah, it looks pretty real. It looks like it could be from some other manufacturer. It's got a HDMI port, a VGA port, and this other port there. So overall quality feels good, feels like a card should be. Let's see if there's anything else on here that we can see. Yeah, I don't see any markings on here at all about who made it. But why don't we stick it in a computer and see if it works? Okay, so I have an old AMD machine here, and so what we're going to do is we're going to install this card and see how it works. Okay, so we have everything installed, so why don't we plug in some cables and make sure it works. Okay, we got everything plugged in, so let's see what happens. We're going to turn it on. And we got stuff on the screen. Okay, so I just installed the NVIDIA driver and it had some type of problem, and so it's rebooting now, so let's see what happens. And we seem to have our full screen size now. But it seems to be going on and off, so that's not such a good sign. So maybe this wasn't the best video card in the world, but it wasn't very expensive. Let's try again. We'll see what happens here. And that seems to be about it for today. So I will let you know if this works out. I don't think it's a power supply problem because it's a new power supply. but we'll go from there. And so if you like this video, make sure you like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Have a great day. Bye bye.